Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the MAC Cosmetics It's Designer Art Library Eyeshadow Palette. The palette retails for $48 and is available on the Ulta Beauty and MAC Cosmetics website. The palette features 12 shades that are a mix of 6 mattes, 2 metallics, 2 shimmers, 1 duochrome, and 1 satin. The palette also comes with a decent sized mirror and the shade names printed in the back of the palette, as well as on a plastic insert that goes in the palette itself. So if you would like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. I'll be using my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches, and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. Starting with the first row going left to right, Chrome Yellow is a matte yellow. My Kid Could Make That is a lime green matte. Bright Pink is a matte fuchsia. Can't Afford This is a neon orange matte. If It Ain't Baroque is a metallic gold. It's Designer is a metallic bronzy orange. Starry Night is a burgundy and teal duochrome. Dark Room is a purple satin. High Concept is a silver shimmer. Gallerina is a turquoise shimmer. Tranial Wave is a matte blue. And Carbon is a matte black. And these are the swatches of all the shades in the palette. All the shades had okay pigmentation and quite a bit of fallout. Just to get it out the way, Tranial Wave was hands down the best shade in the palette. The neon shades, on the other hand, were a huge letdown and require a lot of work to get them to show. I was actually disappointed in how they perform. Starry Night is a pretty shade, but just about every company is making this burgundy shade with the teal duo shift, so it's kind of lost its originality. If It Ain't Baroque and It's Designer had a real chunky consistency and feel very similar to ColourPop Super Shock shadows, so they're definitely best applied using your finger. I was most excited for this palette when I saw it, but it's only left me wanting more. A great alternative to this palette is the September Rose SLUSH palette, and although they don't have those gold shades, they have very pigmented, colorful shadows and more compared to this palette, but for a whole hell of a lot less money. So I'm actually gonna link the company website down below. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications. And I hope to see you all soon. Bye.